In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently delete a domain from your Hostinger hPanel. This process is simple and quick, but requires a few steps to ensure everything goes smoothly. Whether you're cleaning up your domain portfolio or simply decluttering, we're here to make sure you understand each step with absolute clarity. First, as you begin, make sure you're logged into your Hostinger hPanel account. If you're not already logged in, head over to Hostinger's website and enter your credentials. Once inside, you've successfully completed the preliminary step, setting the foundation for everything else that follows. Now let's navigate to the part of hPanel that houses all your domains. On the sidebar, you'll see a section labeled Domains. Click on it, and you'll be guided to a page that says My Domains. This is the hub where all your registered domains with Hostinger are displayed. Here, you will see a list of your domains neatly laid out. Each domain you own will appear here, giving you a clear overview of your assets. The next step is crucial: selecting the domain you want to delete. Take a moment to ensure you're choosing the right domain, especially if you own several. Click on the domain name you wish to remove. This action will bring you to its settings page, where you have various options related to your domain's management. Once you're on the correct domain and feel confident about deleting it, look for the option that says Delete Domain. It's typically placed after several management options, so keep scrolling until you spot it. Hostinger has made this visually distinct, so you should have little trouble finding it. Deleting a domain is a significant action, which is why Hostinger will ask for confirmation before proceeding. Once you click Delete Domain, a pop-up or a prompt will appear, asking you to confirm this decision. This step is in place to prevent accidental deletions, so take a deep breath and one last glance at the domain name to confirm it's the right one. If everything looks good, go ahead and confirm. At this point, the system will begin the deletion process. Watch for confirmation messages or prompts that will indicate the domain has been successfully removed. It's important to understand that once a domain is deleted, the process is irreversible. The domain will be completely removed from your list, freeing up space and possibly reducing any associated costs. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage your domain portfolio, keeping it organized and relevant to your current needs. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more domain management tips.